Mr. Modi could elect only this C.P. Radhakrishnan. C.P. Radhakrishnan is highly corrupt. The whole area in Coimbatore and Tirupur know about him, in Tamil Nadu also. He was not a popular figure. He was known for his rowdyism, his gundaism, and all kinds of nonsense. And he demands money from people, and he is highly corrupt person. And also cheated the State Bank of India and the Coir Board, where he was the chairman. Not to elect this man because he is highly corrupt. In 1998 and 1999, if he won the parliamentary election, it was solely because of the bomb blast that took place in Coimbatore. My appeal to the Prime Minister and all the parliamentarians who belong to the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, that on September 9th, all of you are going to vote for the Vice President candidate. The Vice President candidate put up by the NDA is a candidate who lost 2014 and 2019 Lok Sabha elections in Coimbatore constituency. He was not a popular figure. He was known for his rowdyism, his gundaism, and all kinds of nonsense. And he demands money from people, and he is highly corrupt person. And also cheated the State Bank of India and the Coir Board, where he was the chairman, where he took money from people for giving employment. I made a video on him in 2019 appealing to the voters of Coimbatore Lok Sabha constituency not to elect this man because he is highly corrupt. In 1998 and 1999, if he won the parliamentary election, it was solely because of the bomb blast that took place in Coimbatore. So there was an emotional upheaval, and because of that he won. That any candidate would have won, not just Radhakrishnan. And Radhakrishnan is definitely not a popular person in that area. He is known for his arrogance, he is known for his corruption, and he is known for all that is wrong. I don't know how the NDA has put up such a. I don't know whether they don't have any other better candidates. Definitely, there are a lot of better people in the BJP and the more senior people, more educated, that Mr. Modi could elect only this C.P. Radhakrishnan. C.P. Radhakrishnan is highly corrupt. The whole area in Coimbatore and Tirupur know about him, in Tamil Nadu also. And my appeal also is mainly to the parliamentarians of DMK. Don't get emotional and vote for him because he's a Tamilian. No, he created a lot of problem for you all in 2004 when you were in alliance with the then NDA under Vajpayee. That is when you broke and you came to the UPA alliance. So all parliamentarians who are educated, who have some sense, and who are fighting corruption and who want cleanliness in politics, please do not elect C.P. Radhakrishnan. And definitely the UPA candidate is far, far superior to C.P. Radhakrishnan, education wise or background wise, family, and anything, reputation, everything. So, this is a humble appeal to the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha parliamentarians who are going to vote on September 9th. Please be alert and please don't vote for this C.P. Radhakrishnan, who is a highly corrupt person. And this appeal is also to the BJP people because RSS, I have worked with the RSS for so many things, for so many programs. The RSS has come to me for so many things for the last 20-30 years. It's not today. When you had some Hindu students in the ABVP, I think I stand corrected in the year 2004, 5 or 6, when none of the educational institutions gave them a hostel facility, it was me who gave those ABVP students freely in my hostel. So where was this Radhakrishnan then? He was already an MP, so he could have helped you all out. Why he didn't do that? So it clearly shows that all these people are not there in your organizations to do some good for the people, but only to exploit and make use of these positions. So I appeal even to the RSS members to please tell those parliamentarians who listen to you all that please do not elect a candidate like CP Radhakrishnan, who is not the right and fit candidate to sit where people like Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan and Dr. Zakir Hussain sat. He will be a shame to that seat of vice presidentship, and I'm humbly appealing to all of you all not to elect or select CP Radhakrishnan. Thank you.